What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna make a new video. It's not a VMX video today, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make, well, not really make, but I'm gonna take one of my old RC cars and put a GoPro mount and make it so you can do rolling shots. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Peace. Okay, so this is my fresh out of the box RC car. So we gotta put the little antenna adapters on this. We want a flag. There we go. Antenna's in. And now, you grab the battery pack and let's put the battery on charge. So we got the battery charger here. Well, I'm gonna guess that it needs to charge for about, let's give it about an hour. Okay, I'll charge it for a bit and then we'll come back. Okay, so the battery's been charging for a bit. So now we're gonna put a curved mount. The roof's slightly curved. And I think we're gonna put it like right there, type thing. So yeah, okay, so all you gotta do is peel off the adhesive on the bottom. There we go. And now apply to the top carefully. There we go, it's on there. And now we need to grab the GoPro. So we got the mount, got the GoPro housing, and we got the GoPro, and we also got the screw. Okay, so we got this. Now you gotta do, clip it in, and you're good to go. Now, let's take it to the streets and get some GoPro footage. Batteries just died. Going back home, that was the test. So yeah, hopefully in the future we can use this rig I made for doing some videos. I'm not riding as much anymore. I prefer filming, it's more fun. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.